Today we're going to be talking about one of the primary functions of the ME-RC50, and what I feel is one of the more valuable functions of the ME-RC50 is the meter button. We're also going to hook up a BMK so we can go through all the settings in the meter button as well. So if you guys are ready, let's dive on in.
Alright, we're going to be talking about this button right here, the meter button. We'll go ahead and give it a push. We have the inverter charge meter on our first setting. Go ahead and click it in. It'll show us our DC voltage and amperage, and it shows us our AC voltage on the output, which is 120 volts. It also shows us our frequency, which is 60 hertz. And go ahead and push that rotary knob in again. It'll take us to the second, which is the state of charge. It says thinking. Thinking right now means it hasn't been hooked up long enough to gather a reference. Once it has been hooked up and it's gone through a few cycles, you should see that thinking turn into a percentage. The third one is going to be meters. It's going to show us our 12 volt, our DC amps either being pushed or pulled, amp hours in or out, being pushed or pulled. It'll also show us our resettable amp hours, which is kind of like the trip meter. You can set this and then record your amp hours and then reset it after that. The next one you're going to see is the total amp hours removed, and this is going to be kind of like your speedometer. So during the course of this being plugged in, this will record all of that. The fourth one is going to be status, and it's going to be in the ready position. Once this is in the ready position, it is going to be actively monitoring the battery system. The next is setup. Now we have our charge efficiency. Basically, when you are charging the batteries, you are not charging them to the full amount that was originally drawn out. So this charge efficiency will allow you to put more in that was originally drawn out, because there is an energy loss when the batteries are charging. Okay, and you can set that to auto or a preferred percentage. Now we have our battery amp hours. We're going to set this to whatever size bank yours is, so that it has a reference. In the tech, we have a revision. Minimum DC that is recorded is 12.7 since it's been hooked up. And the maximum DC just recorded is 13.35 since it's been hooked up. And I believe that's it, guys.
Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. And remember, if you're having issues with your own personal inverter, you can always call us at 615-285-0611. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.